Thank you, thank you. Hi, I'm your host Steve and welcome to Who Wants to Be Fluent?
We do.
Yes, you do. Today's questions are all about the proper English names for groups of people and things. How many do you know? Let's do this. I'm going to ask you a question and you'll see 4 possible answers on the screen. You have 5 seconds to choose the right answer. Remember to keep your score as you go along and then write your total in the comments below so we can see who won.
I love you, Steve.
I love you too. Now this quiz is all about the names for groups of things. Round 1, animals. And our first question, what do you call a group of lions? Is it A, a roar, B, a pride, C, a stealth, or D, a laze? And your time starts now. And the correct answer is B, a pride. It's used like this. The pride of lions rested under the tree. Question 2. What do you call a group of fish? Is it A, a college, B, a university, C, a school, or D, a class? Your time starts now. And the correct answer is C, a school. It's used like this. The fisherman watched the school of fish from his boat. Question 3. What do you call a group of birds? A, a dock, B, a mock, C, a frock, or D, a flock? Your time starts now. And the correct answer is D, a flock. It's used like this. The flock of birds flew across the sky. Question 4. What do you call a group of dogs? Is it A, a pack, B, a growl, C, a hunt, or D, a colony? Your time starts now. And the answer is A, a pack. It's used like this. The people were scared of the pack of stray dogs. Are you ready for our next question? Number 5. What do you call a group of bees? Is it A, a sting, B, a buzz, C, a swarm, or D, a troop? Your time starts now. And the answer is C, a swarm. It's used like this. The swarm of bees buzzed around the hive. Our next question. What do you call a group of sheep? Is it A, a parliament, B, a flock, C, a straggle, or D, a lamb bar? Your time starts now. And the answer is B, a flock. It's used like this. The dog helped to fetch the flock of sheep. And our last question in this round. What do you call a group of cows? Is it A, a herd, B, a moo, C, a royal, or D, a troop? Your time starts now. And the answer is A, a herd. It's used like this. The herd of cows ate grass in the field. Now on to round 2, and this is about people. What are groups of people called? And question 1 is, what do you call a group of singers? Is it A, a tenor, B, a choir, C, a sounding, or D, a bravo? Your time starts now. And the answer is B, a choir. It's used like this. Wales is famous for its choirs. Our next question. What do you call a group of football players? Is it A, a team, B, a huddle, C, a strike, or D, a cluster? Your time starts now. And the answer is A, a team. It's used like this. The football team trained hard before the match. Our next question. What do you call a group of company directors? Is it A, a plank, B, a sheet, C, a board, or D, lumber? Your time starts now. And the answer is C, a board. It's used like this. The board of directors met to discuss the new project. Our next question. What do you call a group of actors? Is it A, a bundle, B, a string, C, a panel, or D, a cast? Your time starts now. And the answer is D, a cast. It's used like this. This movie has an all-star cast. Our next question. What do you call a group of sailors? Is it A, a stew, B, a drew, C, a crew, or D, a few? Your time starts now. And the answer is C, a crew. It's used like this. The ship's crew work together to raise the sails. Our next question. What do you call a group of criminals who all work together? Is it A, a bilk? Is it B, a gang? C, a swindle? Or D, a skullduggery? Your time starts now. And the answer is B, a gang. It's used like this. The gang of criminals planned the robbery. And our last question in this round. What do you call a group of politicians who make all the decisions together? Is it A, a cabinet? Is it B, a sofa? Is it C, a wardrobe? Or is it D, a table? Your time starts now. And the answer is A, a cabinet. It's used like this. The cabinet met to discuss the new policy. Right, you're doing brilliantly. Keep those scores handy and don't forget to pop them in the comments below. If you want to know more, there's a free guide you can get just by clicking the link in the description. But now, let's move on to round 3. It's all about groups of things. Are you ready? Here we go. Question 1. What do you call a group of keys? Is it A, a pile? Is it B, a bunch? Is it C, a string? Or is it D, a bundle? Your time starts now. And the answer is B, a bunch. It's a bunch of keys. It's used like this. She carries a bunch of keys in her bag. Question 2. What do you call a group of mountains? Is it A, a range, B, a heap, C, a stack, or D, a bundle? Your time starts now. And the answer is A, a range. It's used like this. They hiked across the mountain range for 3 days. Our next question. What do you call a group of ships? Is it A, a fleet, B, a cleat, C, a bleat, or D, a sheet? Your time starts now. And the answer is A, a fleet. It's used like this. The fleet of ships left the harbour at dawn. Our next question. What do you call a group of stars? Is it A, a constellation? Is it B, a consternation? Is it C, a constellation? Or is it D, a constipation? Your time starts now. And the answer is C, a constellation. It's used like this. We looked up and saw a bright constellation in the sky. Our next question. What do you call a group of cards that are used in a game? Is it A, a bridge? Is it B, a deck? Is it C, an anchor? Or is it D, a mast? Your time starts now. And the answer is B, a deck. It's used like this. She shuffled the deck of cards before the game began. Next, what do you call a group of tools that are kept together? Is it A, a screw? Is it B, a wrench? Is it C, a set? Or is it D, a hazard? Your time starts now. And the answer is C, a set. It's used like this. He bought a new set of tools for the job. Our next question. What do you call a group of knives, forks and spoons? Is it A, a silver? Is it B, a bite? Is it C, a bruisery? Or is it D, cutlery? Your time starts now. And the answer is D, cutlery. It's used like this. The staff cleaned all the cutlery before serving the meal. And that's the end of round 3 and the quiz. How did you do? Don't forget to add up all your scores and share them in the comments. Now test yourself with this video. Give it a click and I'll see you there.